1936 Ford Deluxe. To start, turn your key on, switch down, button in between the clutch and the brake. This car has a newer, oops, felt like I was neutral, there we go. This car has a newer starter, look like a ignition coil as well. It starts up, purrs like a little good running Flathead V8. New top, some mechanical work other than starter and coil, I'm sure. Car runs and drives really nice. Showing 27,503 miles. Gauges are reading. We got oil pressure right at 20 psi, fuel level just above quarter. Temperature gauge halfway up, not to the normal mark but below it. Amp meter, it's above 0. Does not move when I rev it. Doesn't mean it's not charging though. Headlights are right here and they work. You have dual taillights, dual headlights, all that. Throttle, manual throttle or hand throttle. That works. Choke works as well. Cigarette lighter. This is a pull knob. There's your cigarette lighter. Cool that they're all original in here. Usually these get lost. Radio. Turn it on. We got an antenna. We'll let it warm up a little bit. Crack in the lens there, but everything else shows really good. A couple car show plaques here, 1988. Both of them are in 1988, June and August. Typically what that shows me is that that's when this car was finished, restoration. A lot of work has been done to this car, as you can tell, restoration wise. But I think a fair date for that would be around 1988, 1990. Rearview mirror's nice. Vacuum wiper, you hear the vacuum. Let's see if we get it to work. There it goes. Wiper works. Pull, on, push, off. Single wiper. How cool is that? Top. It's in very nice shape. I did a video putting it back up. It's just the reverse taking it down. As you can see, the headliner or backliner is in really good shape. Back seat's very nice. Front seat upholstery is really nice. Feels like a vinyl of some kind. A little bit of wear on the driver's side. I didn't notice any holes. Door pads are in great shape. Okay, radio should be warmed up by now. Let's go through some stations and see what we got. Slight crackle there. Play with the volume knob, see if anything comes of that. Usually I can get at least 1 or 2 AMs to come in. So radio works, but I do not get any noise out of it. Slight crackle around 110, 120 there on the cowl vent. Works very smoothly. We'll keep it open, get some fresh air blowing in here. Car doesn't run hot. I had it idling while I did about half my photos. That'd be just sitting for over 20 minutes or so. And now I've been sitting here for another 10, just idling. So, it's a good running car. Nice snappy throttle. Notice the throttle and choke all the way in. You don't need it to do any of that to keep it running. Handbrake works. Let's go through the gears then. Got reverse, left, and up. That works. First, it's a 3-speed. So, very comfortable seating position. A little bit low in the windshield, but good visibility nonetheless. Very strong, torquey motor. Gets you going. Alright, we're at top speed, which shows 35 on this gauge. I'd be surprised. I think we're going a little faster than that. $45. It's about where it runs out. Feels like we're pushing 3,000 or a little more RPM. Gauges are still reading good. A little bit of vibrational noise out of the top. Otherwise, peaceful ride. Brakes work great. It'd be an awesome car for putting around town. Short jump on the highway if you had to go down an exit or so. You will get some thumbs up and some good looks driving this thing. It's a unique color and in a four-door convertible configuration. I don't think that's too common. A couple raindrops. We got done shooting our stuff just in time. Alright you guys, well that's kind of it on this car. Starts up nice, runs good. Very good looking car, inside and out.
mechanically sound. Anything else you want to know, hop on our website and click the I'm interested button. Someone will be in contact shortly. And then on YouTube, if you're not there already, like, comment, and subscribe. Watch another video if you got some time. There's a lot of variety on this channel, new and old. Feel free to look through and ride along with me. Other than that, we'll see you guys later. Thank you.